I bet you've been here. You're scrolling through Instagram, checking out the latest must-have gadget that's been haunting you since you clicked on that one ad, and then you see it. A comment from a frustrated customer right there under the post. Hey, I've been trying to reach your support for days and still no response. What gives? Yeah, you cringe because it's not exactly just a comment, right? It's kind of like a spotlight. And now every single of their 12,000 followers can see it too. But wait, it gets better. So you go over to Twitter, right? Same brand, same issue, different customer. At brand name, hello, my order has been processing for 2 weeks. Are you ghosting me or what? Ain't that nice, huh? See, while some companies are out here trying to win new customers with, flashy ads and dance challenges, they're losing the ones they already have, right here in the comments section. And that's exactly what happened to this brand my friend Jamie was working with. Let's call them Circuit Flow Electronics. Circuit Flow is that company that looks like they have it all together, right? We're talking slick website, killer product photos, and influencers posting about their newest gadgets. But behind the scenes, their social media was an absolute dumpster fire. Like every day, they were pumping out posts about their latest gadgets, hyping up those new releases, running giveaways, and even throwing in a little influencer action. But here's the problem. Their support team, nowhere near their social feeds. Like they were buried in email tickets and live chat queues, while social was just, crickets. So meanwhile, frustrated customers were airing out their dirty laundry in the comments, in DMs, in tagged posts. And what do you think happened? Potential customers started seeing those ignored comments. Negative reviews started stacking up, and Circuit Flow's fancy new ad campaign, it started tanking because they were too busy chasing likes to notice they were actually losing loyalty. And here's the wild part. According to the Social Sprout Index, around 76% of people expect a response from a brand within 24 hours of reaching out on social media. But despite the expectation, most brands are still falling short, like leaving customers waiting for hours or even days. Now let's talk real numbers. So the average cost of acquiring a new customer is anywhere from 5 times to 25 times higher than retaining an existing one. So it depends on which industry you're in, of course. But customers who receive great social support are 88% more likely to stay loyal. And here's where it gets even more interesting. So many customer service platforms now integrate with social media channels like Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp. So your support team can handle those DMs and comments alongside email and live chat, all in one place. So after a couple of social media disasters, my friend's team at Circuit Flow finally got the hint. They realized social isn't just a marketing channel. It's a customer service channel too, right? So they made a change. They stopped treating social as a separate universe and plugged it directly into their customer service platform. And now every DM, comment, and tweet goes straight into their platform, alongside live chat and email tickets. Now, this is thanks to integrations that connect everything in one place, so agents don't have to jump between tabs or miss a message just because it came through Instagram. Now, when Maya sends a DM about her missing order, support can actually see the DM she sent last week, the email she sent yesterday, and oh look, that negative tweet she just posted 5 minutes ago. So no more, who are you again? No more restarting the conversation every time. Just one ongoing, seamless thread. Sounds good, right? So here's what Circuit Flow did to turn things around in 3 moves. Number 1, centralize everything. A disconnected system means missed messages and frustrated customers. Circuit Flow fixed this by bringing every interaction from social DMs to live chat into one centralized customer service platform. Now, once they brought it all into their customer service platform, every DM, comment, and tag is now visible to support, sales, and success, not just marketing. So here's how they did it. They set up integrations with Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp, so every interaction flows directly into their central inbox. They created a unified customer service profile that consolidates every touch point, whether it's a DM, SMS, email, or live chat. This way, the agent can see all of the customer's interactions across all channels in one place, instead of having to dig through separate inboxes or tools. Now, this unified view ensures that the agent has the full context of the customer's issue and doesn't have to ask them to repeat themselves. Right. They also added auto-routing rules, so high-priority issues like missing orders or refund requests get flagged and sent to the right agent immediately. Number 2. Turn comments into conversations. Before, CircuitFlow only replied to the easy stuff, so thanks for your order, love your post. But when things got complicated, silence. Now, they're not just replying, they're starting conversations. They use AI-assisted, pre-written responses for FAQs, but they're not exactly copy-pasting, right? AI pulls up customer history in every reply, so each response feels personal, not robotic. They also use sentiment analysis to flag urgent or frustrated customers first, ensuring the angriest voices get heard quickly. Number 3, use social as a loyalty engine. Instead of only responding when things went wrong, CircuitFlow started using social media to proactively connect with customers. They began tracking repeat questions and turning them into a shareable FAQ page, linked right in the bio. They implemented social listening tools to monitor brand mentions, catching potential complaints before they snowballed. And they added a follow-up workflow, so after resolving a complaint, they reached out a week later with something like, "Hey, did we resolve that for you?" It's a small step, but it had a big impact on customer loyalty. So yeah, social support, it's not just a nice to have. It's a brand builder, a revenue protector, and a loyalty machine. There's a lot to take in from CircuitFlow's mistakes because they're not the only brand making them. If you want to succeed and stand out from each and every perspective as much as possible, you need to treat every comment like a chance to build loyalty, and every interaction as a potential win. You see, today the brands that win aren't just the ones with the most followers. They'll be the ones that treat every DM like a first impression. Social media is a vital channel for delivering exceptional customer service. And by centralizing all interactions, using AI to personalize responses, and proactively reaching out, you're transforming your social presence from reactive to proactive and turning those missed opportunities into lasting loyalty. By the way, I have a great video for you on the pros and cons of affiliate marketing, so make sure to check it out. I'll catch you in the next one.